Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. Glimmering details, expert aerodynamics, and a richly cultivated interior set the next level of standards for luxury SUVs. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Twin-turbo V6 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver-control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, smartphone wireless charging, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard in driving forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,